Hey guys, today I have with me Realme Narzo 30a. The smartphone offers a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 270 ppi and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Realme Narzo 30a has a bezel-less water drop notch display. On the right spine, you will find the power button and the volume rocker. And on the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Realme Narzo 30a comes with a dual camera setup with a fingerprint sensor. Also, you will see the Narzo branding below the camera module. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. The Realme Narzo 30a comes with a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset with 12nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 3GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 32GB, which can be further expanded up to 256GB. Realme Narzo 30a offers a 6000 mAh battery powered by an 18-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 13-megapixel dual camera setup and includes a 13-megapixel primary camera supported by a 2-megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers an 8-megapixel front camera with a CMOS sensor. The software version of the Realme Narzo 30a is Android 10 with Realme UI. So guys, that's it for Realme Narzo 30a. Thank you so much for watching this video.